auto sum function is the fastest way, means we no need to write the equal to then sum, then we will select the input values. No need, we only press the auto sum function and select the function that you want, like you want average, you want count, you want max, or you want min. Clear? With the help of auto sum function. So how you found the AutoSum function? Click on the formulas menu, then in ribbon area click on AutoSum. Understood? Sum I already told you. Next is average. Next is average. The average function returns the average of the range values. The argument can be range of cells, numbers, or numbers along with cell reference. Clear? So I will tell you average, how to calculate the average. Like you want to find out the average, firstly function start with equal to sign, then write down average. You have to write the valid function name, okay, then bracket, then select the input values, bracket close, then press the enter key. This is the average of Marvick marks. Understood? And you will use this function with the help of AutoSum also. Where you want to apply this function, firstly select the cell, like I want to apply here average function, so I will select the cell, then click on AutoSum, then click on average, then press the enter key. Clear? I will tell again. Functions always start with equal to sign. Function always start with equal to sign, and functions are inbuilt in Excel, and you have to write function name, valid name. Clear? And after function name you will use opening and closing bracket. In opening and closing bracket you have to enter the argument. Clear? This is the way to apply a function. Understood? And you will use this function with the help of AutoSum also. In AutoSum function we no need to write equal to sign or function name, bracket or argument. We will only choose the function that you want to apply and click. Firstly select the cell and where you want to apply the function, then click on AutoSum and choose the function of the name. Like I want to choose the max function, so click on max and press the enter key. So maximum value will be entered in same cell. Next is max. Max, it is used to find the largest value in the given range. How to use max function? Firstly equal to, then write down valid function, then bracket, then select the arguments, bracket close and press the enter key. And second method is I want to apply here max function, click on AutoSum, then click on max and press the enter key. Clear? So here in here the range selected of H3, H4 to H7. Clear? Next is today. Same, we will apply the min function also. Similarly, min function find the lowest value in the range, and count will count the number of elements like numbers, formula and date in the given range. I will show with practical. Like you want to apply the min function here, so equal to min, valid formula, then bracket, select the range of the argument, bracket close. Now look here, minimum value will be shown in this cell. What is the use of count? Count means you have entered 5 student data. So count, in this count means how many rows you have, yeah, how many columns you have filled in data sheet. So that is counting, means counting of the database data. Equal to count, bracket start, I will select 3, I will select 3 argument, bracket close. Now what is the use of function? Like in this column, 3 columns are there, not a number of the student. Here count how many column, 1 2 3. So count value what will become? 3. Look here, clear, understood? Count means it will count the row value or column value, it's your choice, that you selected the cells according to count will come. Next is today. Today means, what is the use of today? It is used to display the current date. Means if you want to enter the current date in Excel, so you will use today function. How you will write? Equal to y equal to, I already told you every function start with equal to sign, then valid function name, then bracket, opening bracket and closing bracket, then press the enter key. I will tell you how to apply. Like you want to apply here today function. Today function is display the current date, start with equal to sign, then valid function name, opening bracket and closing bracket, press the enter key. Look here, this is the current date. Now you want to apply only month, yeah, you want to apply only year, or if you want to apply only a day. So look here, firstly start equal to sign. Now you want to enter only the month, so you have to write month, then bracket today. Today is the function, opening bracket, closing bracket and main bracket close. Now look here, month, which month? July. So July is the 7. Okay. Now you want to enter year. So how you will apply the function? Equal to valid function name, year, bracket start, today, opening bracket, closing bracket, this is the function, and main bracket close, 2020, this is the year, current year. Okay. Now you want to apply a day, equal to current function, today, opening bracket, closing bracket and main bracket close, 20. So day is 20. Okay, understood? This is the way to how to apply the functions in Excel sheet. Sum, give the sum of a range. Average, find the average of a range. Odd, returns the number rounded up the nearest odd integer. Product, multiply the value in a range of cells. Product means multiply. If you want to multiply two numbers or more than two numbers, then you will use the product. Okay, so these are the functions